In this video, I'm going to show you how you can drive traffic from Pinterest to your website. My exact system, which really works, and it's my real strategy for 2025. So we are going to see it in this video. If you think about it, if Pinterest could actually start bringing you clients without overwhelm, let me ask you something. Have you ever opened Pinterest with the best intention to promote your business, only to end up closing the tab 20 minutes later with more confusion than clarity? I've built Pinterest workflow that really brings the consistent website visits every single month, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Why Pinterest still works, and it's actually better than other social media, in my opinion. Pinterest is different. It's a different social media. It's a search engine and not social feed. That means your pins show up every week, every month, not just for minutes. They show for years. You can see them that I actually, when I started my Pinterest account many, many years ago, I can still see the pins from maybe like 5 years ago, 7 years ago, and they still brings traffic to my website. So for me, it's still one of the best platforms to get free, high intent traffic, especially if you are a coach, creator, online business owner, or you have maybe e-commerce store. So let's start with the foundation. The first thing is always setting up your traffic, setting up your business account. We have personal and business accounts. Definitely, if you want to grow and drive traffic to your website through Pinterest, I recommend always setting up business account. Your personal account, you can stay there, use it for your personal things. You can save some recipes or travel tips or anything in this way. But business account is for your business and to grow and bring traffic to your business, to your website, to your e-commerce store. So also when you set up the business account, definitely add keyword rich bio. It means like, okay, you are going to search for keywords, and then you basically will optimize the whole profile with these keywords. You also want link your website and claim it. What does it mean? When you can actually claim your domain, that it's a verified domain with Pinterest or e-commerce store. You can also connect it with any blog, any, let's say, WordPress platform or website, or for example, also e-commerce store. So I definitely recommend claiming your website with Pinterest and linking it, so you kind of verify your domain and you're giving the signal to Pinterest, okay, that's great, you have a website or you have e-commerce store or blog, so we can show your pins because it's verified. So when we have the business account, we have actually optimized bio or description of your profile. We have claim website and link it to Pinterest. I definitely recommend using, and it's very important part of Pinterest strategy, is to create maybe 5 to 10 Pinterest boards. And actually, these boards should be relevant to what you are, what is your business about. They should match your content theme. So, for example, productivity for entrepreneurs or email marketing tips. Or I have, for example, boards with the keywords like Pinterest marketing tips. So the key here is a clarity. So you're giving a signal to algorithm of Pinterest. Okay, I have these boards. This is my profile is about this topic, and actually, for this, I'm also using my AI friend, my AI partner, which I named PINKIT. It's my AI assistant to help you also setting up your boards, finding the right keywords. You can actually ask PINKIT, okay, is this great keywords? Or for example, you can put like all the information about your business, about your target group, and who is on, what are you selling, what kind of products, if it's digital or physical, and then PINKIT will help you to actually create suggested keywords. They will suggest keywords. He will give you pin titles and pin descriptions. It will also give you some trends and things you can focus on. So I'm going to show, and I'm going to show you how PINKIT works right now in this video, so you can have a look. But if you want to try it out, you have the link here for PINKIT. Have a look because it's a great help, and it's created by me. So it's like it has my expertise, my know-how, but it never sleeps. So you can ask any questions you want all the time. So if you summarize all these things, we have ready our business account optimized with keywords, we have boards, and we have, of course, link it to our website and claim it. So let's go and focus on the part of creating pins, because that actually gets clicks. We don't want to just create pins that they don't click and they don't get any saves or clicks. And we want to use also PINKIT, because what you can do is you can actually give, for example, create some templates in Canva. You can give it to PINKIT and repurpose the content, or it gives you suggestions. Okay, maybe try to do it a different way, try to use different visuals. Or, for example, what you can do with PINKIT is also you can link a blog post. You can put a YouTube video transcript, a blog post, or you can, for example, put some information about your business, about the product page or the product. And PINKIT will help you to create these pins, these templates, so you can actually get clicks and saves from your pins. I always use Canva with all branded templates. So I would suggest you use your logo if you have your fonts, your colors, to keep the consistency. And every pin links directly to different parts. So you can link to blog posts, you can link product pages, or any landing page you want them to. So it doesn't mean you don't have to say like, oh, everything link in a bio. It's not there, because Pinterest has this great feature. You can every pin link directly to landing page you want them to. So definitely I post fresh pins every day, every week, and using repurposing content. So as I said, I'm using PINKIT. I create the templates. And for example, I take one of these YouTube videos. I will take a transcript. I will ask PINKIT to help me with these pin titles and pin descriptions, and then I will create templates and put it on Pinterest. In the next part, let's talk about Pinterest SEO, because it's very important and it's what Pinterest is search engine and it brings traffic. So definitely always, at the beginning, I would suggest you try to search Pinterest bar and make sure you kind of optimize with the Pinterest keywords. Pinterest is not Google, so make sure you actually are searching also on Pinterest. You can get help from PINKIT and get kind of keyword strategy tailored for your niche, which means it will kind of give you up-to-date trends, because I manually upload it every 3 months, like the latest trends, what's happening in PINKIT. So it will give you pin title prompts, it will give you the titles and description, what's hot right now and trendy. So definitely focus on this part, because every pin and the whole profile, of course, should have pin title, keyword optimized, pin descriptions, and you can definitely use also basically keywords on your image, on your video. So because Pinterest is a visual search engine, which means it's also visually scanning all your pins. And if you put a keyword on like overlay text, for example, it will give another direction, okay, another sign, okay, to the algorithm. This is what you can do, and this is what is the pin about. So it will show more in the searches. So let's focus on my weekly Pinterest workflow, which I actually also use, of course, PINKIT, my AI partner. Here's my actual Pinterest workflow. I create blog posts or YouTube video. Every week I have new videos like you see right now. I have blog posts every week too. So I can actually, this is my main content, and I'm going to recycle this content and use it for different pins for my strategy. So I have a blog post or YouTube video. I use my PINKIT AI assistant and generate multiple pin versions. So I basically take the blog content or YouTube transcript video, and I will let PINKIT to generate multiple pin versions. I schedule these pins in batches with Pinterest native tool. You see, you can schedule with Pinterest up to 30 days, but I do this, this is my weekly Pinterest workflow. So I usually schedule at least one pin per day, or at least one. You can start with 1 or 2 pins per day, and basically create it with this recycling content from different social media, also not only from the blog post or YouTube video, but this is how I do it. Then when I schedule them, I will check the pins every week, and I will see which are performing, and then I can actually repin these pins which are working the best. I do this every month. I know this is a weekly Pinterest workflow, but every month I check my stats, analytics, and I see, okay, which pins are performing the best, and then I repin them to different boards. So ideally, there is no second guessing and no I don't spend 3 hours doing these pins and all these Pinterest sessions. I'm just building the traffic on autopilot because I already have my assistant and I have my Canva templates. So and my workflow, which I schedule every week. So it's really the ideal workflow for me, and I am also recycling the content. So it's not just I creating a YouTube video or blog post and then nothing's happening. I actually use this content because it takes some time to create this. I use it, recycle, and then I create great pins for maybe 1 or 2 weeks ahead. So this strategy, this workflow I was just mentioning, it's really driving traffic to my website for many years. And it really it makes at least I have a lot of thousand and thousand of page visits every month through Pinterest, which brings me this traffic. If Pinterest has ever felt confusing, or maybe you're like it's not working for you, with the right system, as you could see, it can be your best traffic source, and it's free. So free traffic source, what I was showing you right now. And if you actually want to see how I use PINKIT and how my PINKIT AI assistant works and save me lot of hours every week, just click here below the video or check it out where I explain more about how to use it and how to recycle content. And if you like this video, and it helps you, and maybe you are thinking about Pinterest as your main as a main marketing platform, and you have any questions, let me know, because every week we have new videos about Pinterest, but not only about Pinterest. So if you want any other video about Pinterest or I have any suggestions, let me know. And next week I will make a new video. I'm looking forward to it.